our intervention slide. So we have, please excuse my dear Aunt Schnaterbeck. All right, parentheses. We do have parentheses. So when we go beep, 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 in the parentheses, we have 25 plus 5. I know 25 plus 5 is going to be 30. I'm going to bring everything else down that we didn't use yet. So we did not use that 12 plus 4. Remember, whenever you have a number right in front of parentheses, that means multiply. That means multiply. I'm going to bring down that division. I'm actually going to do the slash for division so you guys can recognize that a slash is also dividing. 6 minus 8. All right, can I just do 12 plus 4? No, we have to follow our order of operations. We are done with parentheses. Do we have any exponents? Nope. Multiplication and or division? Yes, we have both. And remember, we have to go from left to right. So, if we go from left to right, beep, 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 beep. 4 times 30. I know that 4 times 3 is 12, and then you can add that 0 there. Now I'm going to bring everything else I didn't use yet, so I did not use that 12 plus divided by 6 minus 8. We still do have, division. We have 120 divided by 6. I know 12 divided by 6 is going to, 12 divided by 6 is going to be 2. And then put that 0 there, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20. So that is going to be 20. Bring everything else down we didn't use yet. So plus 12 minus 8. All right, we are done with multiplication and division. Addition and subtraction, we have both of them. We go from left to right. So 12 plus 20 is going to be 32. So 32, and we did not use that minus 8 yet. Now, all we have left is 32 minus 8. So 32 minus 8, woo, there we go. So we have 32 minus 8, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. So hopefully you guys have 24. And then we are done with our order of operations. So that is going to be it for our intervention slide. Great job.